In this video, we are going to be looking at how to develop ultimate web tools system. So example of this kind of script is 66Toolkit. Now let's talk about some of the features. Is the ultimate web tools PHP script available with over 1,400 tools available and included for both daily tasks and developers. You can use the software for your own needs as an agency or for your team. If you want to start a business, sell plans to other users and make money, you will need it. So some tools that are available: DNS lookup, IP lookup, SSL lookup, whois lookup, base64 converter, URL converter, markdown to your HTML, and so many others. So use our affiliate link in the description to purchase the script. After purchasing the script, I go straight to my cPanel. For my cPanel, I go to my file manager. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. So for my file manager, I go to the subdomain I will be using for this testing purposes, which is Tutor.yet. Here is it. I have already uploaded my script. So next, let me extract it. Extract files. So I just close this. Yes. After that, I open my extracted file. I'm going to select all the content, then move them to the root folder. Okay, move files. Yes, I click on up one level. So I can delete this now. Delete, skip the trash, confirm. So next, let me copy my subdomain, open a new tab, paste it there, then click on enter. Okay, I'm having this. So let me put it as /install, enter. Next, I click on start the installation. Okay. Next, click on next. Next, I'm going to database stage. I'm going to back to my cPanel to create my database. cPanel. Yes, I'll go to databases, then manage my databases. So let me name my database as 66Toolkit DB, like this. Okay. Then I click on create database. I have successfully created my database, so I click on go back. After creating my database, next I'm going to create the user. So next, I'm scrolling down to create the user. Control V, yes, user, yes. Right. Then next I click on create user. After successfully creating my user, I click on go back. Next, I'm going to add my user to my database. Use the hire me link in the description to hire me to help me install your script. So let me store them so that I can add my user to my database. Okay, selected it automatically, so I just click on add. Give all privileges to the user. Then scroll down to make changes. Successfully created my give all privileges to the user. Next, let me copy the user name. Yes, like this. To my site. Database name. Let me place it here. Username. Okay. My DB name is what I use. Email, admin email, let me say admin at example.com, at example.com. Yes. Full name, let me say admin. Okay. Next, I click on finish installation. So next, I just close this. Okay. URL, I can now go to my URL now. I should not forget username and password. Okay. Yes, I have successfully installed my scripts. So here I can just sign up here. I'll be signing here. Admin. Then I click on login. Okay. I've successfully installed my script. Please, if this video is helpful, use the buy me a coffee link in the description to buy me a coffee. Don't forget to use our affiliate link in the description to purchase the script. And also, for your script to install your script, use the hire me link in the description to hire me to help you install your script. Thank you.